succeeded in improving both the quality of the water as well as its natural ecosystem. The proof of this lies in the fact that since we started applying EM, there is more marine life in the water: small fish, crabs, turtles, snakes. We found smaller, more fragile life forms making their way further upstream. We applied the solutions rain or shine, even during storms. We explained to the residents that we didn't need to use masks or protective hats, gloves, or clothing when handling EM. The residents were pleased to learn that the microorganism compounds were completely safe. After we began the cleanup project, the residents began seeing improvements in the adjacent rivers as well. They also noticed significant improvement in the odor situation during the summer months. In some parts of the river, odors were completely eliminated. Imabari City Councilman Mr. Seno had this to say: "Our idea was to clean up the Arazuya River here in Imabari by involving citizens in a volunteer effort. In my district, we have a river called the Asagawa River. The river water was very dirty, so we decided to use rice rinse water activated with beneficial microorganisms to clean it up. Another project we are currently working on is the Imabari Castle Moat Cleanup Project. The castle is about to celebrate its 400th birthday. Microorganisms were used to reduce the sludge and smells in the castle's moat. This cleanup effort is being championed by a local non-profit volunteer organization. One year ago, we couldn't even see the stone embankments along the Asagawa River because of sludge buildup. Now that sludge levels have dropped, the rocks are again visible. This alone is proof that the river is in much better shape than it used to be. We were wondering if we could transform the moat around the castle into a place where children could swim and play like in the old days. The wastewater from the textile mills was flowing into the moat through the city's river system when the tide came in. To clean up the moat, we realized that we first needed to address the problem of industrial pollution in the river. The results achieved by these volunteers have made a tremendous impression on the city government, increasing the cooperative efforts between the city and its citizens. Eventually, we would like to see the cafeterias in the city's kindergartens and elementary schools located near the various rivers treat their organic waste with effective microorganisms. The project could be supervised by school teachers or run directly by the students themselves. By pouring the liquid microbial mixtures into the rivers and by using the solid organic material as fertilizer for lawns and gardens, we will greatly improve our quality of life here in the city. We are also encouraging people to mix rice rinse water with effective microorganisms and then to pour it down the sink or directly into the river in order to assist with the cleanup effort. By doing so, we can clean up our city's waterways naturally.